students. Today I will discuss in front of you unit number 13. This unit, the name of this unit is basically internal controls and internal audit and control system. So specifically we are going to discuss in front of you, I will discuss internal audit and internal control system. Internal audit and internal control system. So what are the things I will discuss in front of you today? So the first point is basically internal auditing. This unit is extremely important because nowadays internal auditing that is into the a lot of extreme importance for the higher management, and many companies are giving good importance to the internal control system and internal auditing as well. The point is that in terms of internal auditing, there is a professional qualification called certified internal auditor, and the main body which is going to cover the internal auditing operation, this is called basically IIA. This is called IIA, Institute of Internal Auditor. So the point is that what is the link of internal auditing in our CMA part 1? When we talk about management accounting, that is very important that the management accountant should have clear idea about the role of internal auditor and system of internal control as well, because without the full understanding of internal auditing and internal control system, that will be extremely difficult for the management accountants which are part of the senior management to apply internal control system. So here we are going to discuss internal auditing. Obviously that will not be too much comprehensive. We are going to only strict to that portion which is in the syllabus of CMA part 1. So in that case I will discuss in front of you what is the definition of internal auditing, what is the role of internal auditor, who are the parties involved in case of internal auditing, what will be the role of management accountant in terms of internal auditing, what is the role of Institute of Internal Auditor, and what are the different kind of standards which are made by Institute of Internal Auditor, and they are equally, you can say, important not only for internal auditor but for management accountants as well, to have some good awareness about that. That is the reason that CMA qualification give good, you can say, emphasis on internal auditing. Next we are going to discuss system controls. In terms of system controls, I will discuss in front of you that what are different kind of system of internal control for IT operations. In terms of information system controls, I will discuss in front of you input controls, that will be processing controls, and last but not the least I will discuss in front of you output controls. So input control, processing controls and output controls as well, because nowadays more and more organizations, they are converting from traditional manual kind of systems to automated system, and without good information system internal control, that is extremely important for the organization to achieve the strategic objectives. Next we will discuss about security measures. That means in order to implement system of internal control, what are different kind of security measures which the organizations should achieve. Let's say if any of these security measures, they are going to flop, for example they are not working due to any issue. Specifically we call these issues like inherent limitations of internal control, which obviously I will explain in front of you guys, so don't worry about that. So in case of these security measures, I will discuss in front of you that what are different kinds of security measures, which I will explain.